사실이라면 어떻게 되겠어? 명백한 몸싸움 흔적이 나왔는데 그냥 넘어갔다고?
널 발견하고 풀어주려는데 이 뿌리치려는 건지 뭔지 몸부림치더라. 그때 그렇게 한다.
지금까지 검이나 경이나 서로 문제는 느꼈어. 우산은 없었어.
소송 대기가 먼저죠, 회장님. 법인세가 1,000억이 넘게 물렸는데.
This is a Dollar Tree photo album. use a recipe holder.
다들 준비됐나?
네.
갑시다.
Recipe card. Label. Appetizers. Bakery. And you put more in the back. Tons of it.
저건 몇 살이?
4x6. And then this is a notebook in case you want to write something, other stuff. And all this is in the traveler notebook style, so you can actually take it out. You can actually make more than two. But I think in this case two is more than enough. Ta-ta! Ta-ta! I'll make more decorations here. This is some of my Dollar Tree project, DIY project. So this is Dollar Tree photo albums. It's actually pretty cute, but it's actually in the how many total I forgot, but it's probably for photo. I was I needed more of the pages, and also yeah. So I bought this. I was thinking I can make as like coupon or receipt holders. Just put a coupon and receipt here. But then I don't like how bulky this is because I have a bag, but I don't want to like too bulky. So I'm actually making a cover for it. I'm getting this pretty paper double-sided, and I already cut the size. You know, I just measure on the based on the size. Just keep what quarter-inch off each edges, and then I'm going to illuminate my cover so it's more durable, waterproof. I got this machine from Amazon for like $20 some, and also bought the paper. So I'm gonna do it. Oh, hope I don't mess up because I'm using only one hand, and I'm trying to use all the spaces. So I cut off some tag thing. Maybe I can use as a bookmark. Alright. Okay, I hope I can do this right. Alright. This is super easy. Hello, so now this is the final product of the Dollar Tree 4x6 photo album that I'm actually making it into coupon and or receipt book, or even photo album, whatever, you know, or what they call black book, photo book album. So whatever you can use, I think it's very functional. It's not like bulky like original photo album. It's kind of soft, but then I had a protection, so it will last a little bit longer. And if for whatever reason the inside was broke, I can still, because it grew on it, I can still open it out. So I find the fastener, I just trying to make it quick and easy instead of doing other method. And then I got this from Dollar Tree one time. So I kind of glue this bottom on, and then I create a pocket. So this pocket I can just put like whatever receipt or coupon I need to use for that day, for the moment. So I can put here first, and then this is just the tags. I'm just putting there kind of like display, but eventually I'll put like receipt here and coupon maybe on the other, because this actually have enough. I don't think I have a lot of coupons, very few, and then now I don't really have tons of receipt either. So, and then I create pocket at the back as well, just because I want to use this leftover paper. Yeah, that's it. Super easy. Hope I'll use it. If not, I can always put photo in it. And this is actually pretty lightweight and not bulky. I don't want to really bulky, so I can just put in my bag. And then when I go to, because I had a big wallet before, I put receipt coupon out of the wallet, so I don't need to carry too much stuff. But now my wallet, now I have a smaller one. I can put all that in the wallet, so I will just carry this one, you know, in case I need coupon or receipt. You know, if I do return, need receipt. If I go to store, need coupon. And then I think this is pretty easy, just to grab this one and looking through coupon ahead of time. And it's pretty too. It's kind of pretty to take to a store. All right. Hope you enjoy this Dollar Tree craft. Please subscribe my channel, and please click on the bell below for notifications. I will post as many videos as possible, as often as possible as well. Right, good night. It's actually almost midnight.